Greeting, folks. Let's start off with part A, the curriculum program level. Now, it is very important that you answer part A from the basis of the program, right? So, because the program is what holds the module or the subject. So that's why some parents say, oh, my daughter is in this university, as opposed to that. Partly because the university's philosophy, vision, and mission will dictate the way a program is constructed and subsequently how the subject is being taught. The same thing goes to a school. The mission and vision of the school, in addition to the program structure, program philosophy, program ethos, will dictate how a particular module is being taught. So if you look at this document in front of you, part A, the curriculum at program level, so your first part is you're supposed to choose a program that you are teaching or have taught or wish to examine in line with your specialization and major. So if you're a non-teacher, you may want to examine a prospective program that you can teach. Now the first one is aims and learning outcomes of objectives. So this is where you are supposed to thoroughly investigate the program's outcome, right? Its own aim of teaching and learning. So the question 1.1, what is the name of the program? So this is very straightforward. You just have to pinch the name from wherever document you're looking at. What is the level of education of the program chosen? So this is very straightforward. And then the aim of the program. What is the aim? So that is straightforward. Now, so this is where, 1.3 is where you have to actually seriously look into the program, where they want to know what's the aim of the program. Every program has an aim, right? You don't construct a body of knowledge to deliver without an objective or an aim. So of course here, I will use the term aim and objective interchangeably, not because this document is not clear, but in many programs out there, many authors tend to use these two terms interchangeably. So 1.4, given the nature of the program, do you think the aim is appropriate? So this is where for about 150 words, we want you to rationalize, look at the program, look at the aim, and ask yourself, is this appropriate to the kind of kids you're going to teach? What are the program's learning outcome objective? In what way are the aims and the learning outcome objectives are similar? Okay. Now this is where we want to start beginning the alignment. So in what ways are the aims and learning outcomes or objectives of the program similar? So when they have an aim, you also have objectives. Aim is a very generic paragraph, right? Whereas learning outcomes are very detailed line by line item. And then you're supposed to benchmark these two and see whether they make sense. In what way they are different, of course. What reasons should explain the similarities you have identified? That you have to rationalize. What reasons could you explain the difference? That's straightforward too. Now, then you have given the nature of the aim of the program. Do you think the learning outcome of the objective was appropriate? Please provide reason. Okay. Given the nature of the program, so nature as in the age group, the context, the cultural, the economical, political. Remember in curriculum we had all this discussion. So given the nature of the aims of the program, do you think the learning outcomes or objectives are appropriate? Please provide your answer as far as possible to be specific. Okay, now A2, foundation of the curriculum. The aim of the curriculum, the aims of the curriculum are choice decision made by the curriculum designer. The aim embody usually tacit. The aims embody usually tacit the foundation on which curriculum stands, among which they are philosophical, psychological, and social. Okay. Now, examine the aim of the program you have chosen, and also other information provided by the program documentation. What philosophical foundation are you? This is based on. So obviously, there are 4 philosophical foundations that we have spoken in the past. So the idea is to justify how a philosophical foundation wraps around the aims and the aims of the program. Do you think the choice made about the philosophical foundation is justified? So this is where you rationalize your answer. 2.3, what is the psychological foundation? So once again, there are 4 psychological foundation that we discussed previously. So the idea is how these 4 sit in. Do you think the choice made by the psychologist, so once again, 2.4 is just justifying the 2.3. 2.3 is just a declarative answer. 2.5, what is a social foundation? What are the answers? So social foundation, as you know, in what context was this constructed? Do you think the choice? Okay, then justify the choice here. Domain of learning. Okay, the aim, the domains of learning. Okay then, bye.